What's up everybody, I'm Micah and back at it with Creating Creations. So recently I had a dreadful dilemma. I was sitting down binge watching my subscriber count for my YouTube channel and it went up to 4,800 subscribers, and at that point I realized that I needed to celebrate. And so I found a balloon, but then I realized that I was too lazy to blow it up. So I thought I'd save my breath and figure out a way to make water do the work for me. In order to make this breath-saving, water-wasting contraption, we're gonna need a large water jug and also another water bottle that we can cut the head off of. Then we will need hot glue and a little metal tube. And that's about it. Let's start making it. Boom. First off, you're going to need to cut the head off of the soda bottle. Then unscrew the lid from the water jug and cut a hole the size of the head of the soda bottle. And make sure that the head of the soda bottle has a very tight fit inside the lid of the water jug. Then we're going to need to mark out a space for the metal water pipe and likewise cut it out. And anyhow, after you've cut out the hole the proper size for both the head of the soda bottle and the metal pipe, then use a ridiculously wasteful amount of hot glue to secure the head of the soda bottle and the metal pipe onto the lid of the water jug. Then glue the modified lid of the water jug back onto the jug, take it outside, then pop your balloon onto the solid off head of the soda bottle and push a water hose into the metal pipe. Then turn on the spigot and voila, the water will do the work for you and instantly or almost instantly fill up your balloon for you. No work required on your part. You can sit back, be lazy, and waste extra time, extra water, but save your breath filling up balloons. If you're thankful for a way to not have to waste your breath, and you enjoyed this video, then please press the like button. It really helps you guys. Also press the subscribe button for more videos in the future. And I will catch you guys on that next video.